Imagine paying $2,000 for a repair your Toyota didn't even need, and worse, couldn't even have. That's exactly what happened in Texas when a RAV4 owner got billed for a transmission flush on a sealed transmission that can't even be opened. Stories like this aren't rare. They're everywhere. Nearly half of all drivers admit they've been tricked into repairs they never needed. More than a third say they were overcharged for parts or labor they didn't understand. And guess what? Dealerships know it. They count on your trust, especially if you drive a Toyota, one of the most trusted car brands in the world. That trust is what they exploit the most. Because when a driver believes the service center, they'll sign anything, even for fake maintenance. Today, I'm exposing the 7 biggest Toyota service scams you must watch out for. One of them risks your safety, and another quietly steals over $1,000 from your wallet. Here's the first scam. Charging for free software updates. Modern Toyotas, like the RAV4, Camry, Highlander, and Tacoma, often receive free ECU and infotainment updates under Toyota's warranty program. These updates fix bugs, improve fuel economy, and upgrade system stability, all at no cost to the owner. But some service centers quietly charge $100 to $200 for something Toyota already provides for free. They'll disguise it as a diagnostic refresh or an ECU reprogramming fee. In reality, they're just pressing a few buttons to download the update your warranty already covers. Before paying, always ask if the update is warranty covered, or check your Toyota owner's portal. Every update and recall is listed there. If they can't show proof, walk away. Because if they're charging you for a download, you're already being scammed. And the next one hits even harder, because it looks completely real until your battery dies. Now let's talk about the battery swap ripoff. One of the oldest tricks in the book. Many Toyota service centers advertise genuine Toyota True Start batteries, but what you actually get may be a cheap aftermarket version. They'll bill you over $300 for a battery that's worth half that price, while keeping the real OEM part for resale or another job. It's the perfect scam. You pay Toyota prices, but get dollar store quality. The difference is hard to spot unless you check the label. A genuine Toyota True Start battery is clearly marked with Toyota branding, serial codes, and country of manufacture. Before agreeing, ask to see the battery before and after installation. Any hesitation is a major red flag. You're not just paying for the part, you're paying for trust. And these shady shops are cashing in on it. So remember, if the price feels premium, the part should be too. Because they charge Toyota prices, but deliver discount junk. And the next scam is even older and far more manipulative. This next one is called fake faults during inspections. And it's one of the most profitable scams in the service world. Here's how it works. During your MOT or routine inspection, a service advisor may claim your car has urgent safety issues or critical failures. A tiny oil seep suddenly becomes a major engine leak. A minor brake squeak turns into a complete brake failure. These are fear-based upsells designed to make you panic and approve repairs you don't need. They use official-looking reports, red warning marks, and time pressure to make you say yes on the spot. It's an old trick. They fail your car on paper just to make you pay in person. Your best defense? Ask for proof, photos, measurements, or error codes. If it feels exaggerated, get a second opinion before paying. And for safety inspections, use council-run test centers. They don't profit from repairs, so they'll tell you the truth. Stay alert, because the next scam isn't just a ripoff. It's dangerous. Here's one that happens every single day. The phantom cabin filter replacement. You take your Toyota in for a quick service, and when the bill arrives, there's a line that says cabin air filter replacement, $79.99. Sounds routine, right? Except in many cases, the filter was never changed at all. Some shady service centers charge $60 to $80 for a new filter, but leave the old one right where it was. To sell the lie, they'll even show you before and after photos, often taken from another car. The truth? Most cabin filters cost about $15 and take 5 minutes to replace yourself. So how do you protect yourself? Simple. Ask to see your old filter. If they can't hand it to you, they probably never changed it. Also, check your owner's manual. Most Toyotas only need this service every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, not every visit. It's a small part but a big scam. Because if they can lie about this, what else are they overcharging you for? And the next scam goes beyond money. It actually risks lives. This one is the most dangerous scam of all. Counterfeit parts sold as genuine Toyota. It's not just about money anymore. It's about safety. Across the industry, fake brake pads, filters, and even airbags are being passed off as OEM Toyota parts. They look convincing. Same packaging, same color, same part numbers, but inside they're poorly made and unsafe. In an emergency stop, counterfeit brake pads can literally crumble apart, leaving you with no stopping power. Fake airbags are even worse. Some explode violently, while others fail to deploy when you need them most. The fix is simple. Always ask for proof of origin. Genuine Toyota parts come sealed in factory packaging with traceable labels and QR codes. If the part looks repackaged or the box seems generic, walk away. Because counterfeit parts don't just drain your wallet, they can kill you. And next comes the psychological scam that hides behind fancy technical language and confusing service terms. Now comes the tech jargon trap. A scam built on confusion, not car parts. Here's how it works. Service advisors use complicated terms like valve train timing irregularities or electronic diagnostics interference. They sound scary, but often the real issue is just a loose sensor or a dirty air filter. By throwing around big words, they make you feel uninformed and pressured to approve costly repairs. It's not about fixing your car. It's about sounding smarter than you. The defense is simple. Ask for plain language explanations. If they can't describe the problem in a way a normal driver can understand, they're hiding something. Also, learn a few basic car terms yourself, like oil dipstick, coolant reservoir, or air filter housing. Knowledge kills confusion, and confusion is where they make money. Because the more lost you feel, the more they profit. And now, it's time for the scam that's been draining Toyota owners for years. Here's the $1,000 wallet killer: unnecessary fluid flushes and add-on services. This is one of the most common scams in Toyota service centers. They'll push transmission, coolant, brake, or steering flushes, claiming your car needs it now. But here's the truth. Many Toyotas don't need these services often, and some, like electric power steering, don't even use fluid. One driver was billed $350 for a transmission flush at 30,000 miles, even though Toyota doesn't recommend it until 100,000 miles or more. Worse, repeated flushes can actually damage sealed transmissions, turning routine service into a real repair bill. Your best defense? Follow Toyota's official maintenance schedule, not the advisor's sales pitch. They call it maintenance. I call it legalized robbery. Because all these scams share one thing in common, and it's not what you think. The biggest scam isn't a trick. It's trust. Dealerships hide behind the Toyota name to sell fake fixes under a trusted badge. But once you know these scams, they lose control. Always ask, always check, always demand proof. Because real Toyota reliability starts with your awareness, not their promises. You now know the 7 biggest Toyota scams costing drivers millions every year. Knowledge is the one tool no mechanic can overcharge you for. Subscribe to protect your wallet and car. And comment if you've ever caught a dealership overcharging. Your story could save others.